Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. I hope you all are good. I am Ankur Sharma, Associate Director at IMS Gate Academy. Welcomes you all. So, in this session guys, we will discuss about some good questions of signals and system in a test manner. So, this is a live test of signals and system. So, if you are attending the classes, if you are in the live, you can just confirm audio and video so that we can start the session. So, first of all, I want that many students are asking for the signals and system test part. So, that is why today we are going to conduct this. So, I think 13 students are live here. You can just confirm audio and video, bachcho. I hope many of you already completed signals and system subject. Even if you not completed, here I will explain the concept also. I will have a detailed explanation of the questions, okay. So, we will solve the question directly from the portal itself. Is it clear? Audio video clear? Okay. Good evening, good evening. So, I think voice chat is not visible perfectly. Just tilt it little bit. Right, okay. So, Saurav Upadhyaya, good. Okay. Okay guys, so I think voice is clear. Now, so student, first of all, as you all know, in the last yesterday also I have taken one session and I explained you about the 100 days preparation strategy. Okay, so we had a discussion yesterday in detail ki how you can utilize your 100-day time in a best way, because these 100 days are very much critical. That will only decide what will rank you can generate in this upcoming GATE 25. Okay. So guys, let's start the today's session. It is very much important for EC Electrical IN student. If you are from EC Electrical IN, then you must attempt the test, or as soon as I will show you the question, you should try to attempt the questions. Okay. Now, so shall I start the test, my dear student? Just do reply here if anyone who already knows some basic concept of signals and system. And again, for this signals and system, it is a part 1. So, I will take part 2 also, as if you all want. So, in the part 1, I have just framed the questions based on the basics of control, basics of signals and system, and all the questions are related to the continuous time. As when I started signal and system on YouTube also, or chapter number 1 was continuous time signals and system. So, you will get the questions from the basics of signals as well as the LTI systems. Okay. So, guys, I will show you the portal also, LMS portal also, or IMS Gate Academy portal, and how our IMS Gate Academy students are used to attempt the test series part. That also I will show you. So, again, so coming to this part, guys, so this is our portal. When you will, first of all, when you will start the test, this is the read the following instruction carefully. It means all the part which you need to follow. It is just like the GATE exam also, or in any other competition examination also. First page is also always a instruction part. So, here you can see the instruction part. The question has not visited. It will be represented with gray color. The red means you have visited but not answered. The green means this question has been answered and will be considered for the evaluation. So, when I will start the test, then whatever green color shows that the question I have answered. Okay, the purple color, this question has been marked for review and has not been answered. And here, this is the symbol where question is answered, but still I marked for the review, which will be considered for evaluation. So, student, you should also read it in a detail, where we have negative marking, where we don't have the negative marking. Okay, of course, in the GATE exam, just the pattern is same as it is just like the GATE exam. So, you will get the negative marking for the MCQ questions. Okay, for 1 marks question, 1/3 negative marking. For 2 marks question, you will have 2/3 negative marking. Is it clear? Now, let's start it. So, I will just submit it and accept and continue. Okay. So, when I will start the test, first I will write sign here. Then I said, okay. So now guys, my question started, and here is the timer also started. Okay, so this is how your portal look like. Okay, so here's the question number 1. If someone will watch in the recording, you can also attempt the test, you can pause the video. And if someone is live manner, you can try, and whatever your answer, you can write in chat box as well. Okay. So I hope this question part is perfectly visible to you. If it is not visible, I will again repeat the data for you guys. Okay. So let me take red pen here. So question is what? Consider the signal xt. It is a 1 marks question. It is given 1 marks. Negative marking 0 because it is a NAT type of question, numerical and answer type question. Okay. So this is my first question. I am just reading the question. Consider the signal xt as shown in the figure. This is my xt signal. Energy of the signal xt is. Here is joule. The unit is given to you. Just need to type the numerical value, guys, up to the 2 decimal places. Okay. Now. So now, if you want to attempt it fast, guys. I will explain this question even after 1 minute. If you want to try, you can just have try first. So you can easily solve this question if you know the basic concept of energy signal, and if you attended my classes, if you attended my YouTube videos, then I have explained the short trick also for that. That as far as energy of rectangular signal is concerned, it is always a square into b. As far as the energy of a triangular signal is concerned, it will be always a square by 3 into b, where a is the amplitude of signal, magnitude of signal, and b is the width of signal. So one student says that clarity is not visible, sir. Someshwar, okay. So Jafar Abbas replied that 6, okay. So what I will do now, I will again make a bigger diagram for you, no problem. I am just making a bigger diagram for you so that it will be perfectly visible for you. So here is the question like this. Is it fine now? I think it should be fine now, yes. Sometime some student who don't know the concept, that time also student used to say that, sir, the question is not visible. So if you want to see, then it must visible to you. Just see the question, guys. Now I think it is visible better. Now I think it is visible. So this is my x of t question. All this definitely, but I am expecting some answer from your side. Yes. So Someshwari and Jafar Abbas. Jafar Abbas even replied correct 6 answer also. Very good. Any other student? So Someshwari, now is it visible to you? Harshit, question part is visible. Question part is visible, yes. Of course, when you will attempt the question on your laptop, on your PC, then of course it is visible, because right now it is on smart board, so maybe it is not perfectly visible. So I have already made the correct diagram for you. Okay, Someshwari. So student, what I will do now, I will just give you some time if you want. If you want some time, then I will also give you. Okay, let me use some tools if it is possible. Not possible. Okay, I don't want this then. Okay guys, so again I am coming to this desktop part. Okay, now perfectly question, but again question remove, guys. I think question part removed, yes. Again I will make the question, no problem, but you should tell me what is the answer. Some students are saying 6 is the answer. Okay, so I will also solve the question, guys, no problem. I will not take the timers and all. Timer already there in the, okay. So again I will make the question. I will draw the question for you again. So this is the question, guys, triangular nature, then rectangular nature, again a rectangular nature, like this, okay. So this is the question. This is the one line only. So this is your 2 magnitude, this is your 1 magnitude, and this is your 2 time duration here 2. Okay, how can I erase? Okay, I need to use eraser like this. Okay. Okay. Now here is my signal. Okay, this is 2, this is 1. This is 0, this is -1, this is -2. So this is the magnitude what, guys? -1, this is 1, 2, this is your signal, okay? T, xt. And this is a simple question. That is why it is a 1 marks question. It deserves only 1 marks. Correct answer 6. Some students are saying, but it is wrong. Let me solve the question. I already given you a hint. Still, again, I am giving you a hint, guys. Let me take the hint is what? 0b. If A is the magnitude, then what is the energy directly? The short trick says that energy is A square into B, sir. Similarly, if we have the triangular nature, if you have attended my classes, then you must know this. This is just the short trick. So, the triangular signal energy is nothing but, sir, A square by 3 into B. Now you need to identify here, because all the signals are having different time duration. So, we can directly apply this short trick as far as energy calculation is concerned. So now tell me, guys, is it a triangular nature and says that A square by 3, A means amplitude, so minus 1 is the amplitude, and minus 1 mode is what? Because in the energy formula we have mode of x of t. So minus 1 mode is anyway 1 and minus 1 square is also 1. So A square by 3, it means 1 square by 3 into width. What is the width between minus 2 to minus 1? 1 is the 1 only width. So this is the energy for the first signal. It means if I am representing as a first nature of signal, then this is the energy for the first nature of signal. Now second is a rectangular pulse, this is a rectangular pulse, magnitude is 1, A square into B, B means width. The distance between minus 1 to 0 is 1. So here is 1 whole square into 1 plus, what is the energy for this third signal? Third signal means this rectangular nature. This rectangular nature means what is the width? Width is 0 to 1 is 1 only, and magnitude 2 square. So it will be 2 square into 1. Now again finally we are having one more triangular signal. This is the triangular nature, fourth nature. So this is the fourth. So this is all about the second one. This is all about third one. Now I think after giving the hint, many of you are correct, I think. So now you should tell me what is the last. A square, what? Again triangular nature. So again amplitude is 1. So A square by 3 into B. B is also the difference between 1 to 2 is 1. So this is the energy for the fourth part of signal. Now final energy just need to add it. So it will be 1 by 3 plus what it will be 1 square into 1 1. 2 ka whole square 4 and plus what is here, guys, 1 by 3. I hope this is fine. Now tell me what is the final answer. So when you will add this, then what you will get, guys? Is it 4 plus 5? Yes. So 5 and 1 by 3, 1 by 3. So when you will add 1 by 3, 1 by 3, you will get eventually 2 by 3. Na? So 2 by 3 plus 4 plus 1, 5. And you know 2 by 3 is nothing but 0.66666 or 0.67. 2.67, yes or no? Sorry, 0.67, yes or no? So final answer is nothing but, sir, 5.666 or 5.67. Correct answer is 5.66666 or 5.67 also approximately I can write. So the correct answer for this question is 5.67. What I will do, I am just using this space as a rough notepad. Okay, rough notepad. So now tell me what is the final answer for this question. Final answer I need to type, sir, and when I will type, everything is removed, guys. Okay, I think everything is removed when I will type something here. Okay, so if you want me to explain again, then let me know right now only, because what I am doing here, if you want that I will show you the question in the science board software, that also I can do, but right now I am just using this as a Scrabble pad or rough notepad. Yes, final answer is 5.67. So if I will use this, then again everything remove. Final answer is 5.67. So I need to type here, okay, 5.67 or 5.67, correct? So this is my first question. I have answered it 5.67. I think many of you already got the answer. So some of you has replied 6 is wrong. 6 is not a correct answer. 5.67 is only correct answer. Now I am going for the next question. Save and next. You need to click on save and next. So now it shows that answered. Answered means green color is represented with answered. Red is not answered, not visited, marked for review. Everything is mentioned there. Yes. Now guys, now again coming to this question. So let me place here only. Okay, here. Now tell me. Again, I think the question part may be not visible, so I will write the question for you. It is given that ki yt. It is given that question part is given like this. Yt. Let me use eraser here first. Okay. So yt is given to you. Yt is given to you as a x1t plus x2t. X1t plus x2t. Okay. And what is x1t is given, guys? X1t is given to you as a cos of 40 pi t. Cos of 40 pi t. This is your x1t. Okay, sir. x2t is also given to you. x2t is given to you as a cos of 50 pi t. Okay. An examiner is asking for then the ratio of the time period of yt and x1t. The ratio of the time period of yt. So time period of yt and the time period of x1t. This ratio examiner is asking as a numerically entry question. I hope question is visible perfectly now. Someshwari, Jafar Abbas, Harshit, do reply. Now student, if you know the simple concept of time period, then t is nothing but 2 pi upon omega. So what is the multiple of t? Omega. So you should write here t equal to 2 pi upon omega 0. And omega 0 is nothing but 40 pi. So pi get cancelled. So what is fundamental time period t? Is it 1 by 20? So when you will cancel, what you will get? T equal to 1 by 20. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. So it is 1 by 20. So is it nothing but t of x1t? T of x1t is 1 by 20, sir. Okay. Now fundamental time period of t2, what you will get? T2 equal to you must get 2 pi upon, come on guys. So is it 50 pi? Yes, 2 pi upon 55. Everyone should try to attempt, guys. I am also solving here, but you should also try. You must try actually. Okay. Tell me if anyone who is having the answer, just do reply. If anyone is having the answer, do reply. Come on guys, let me know. Shall we go for next? So some students are saying that the answer is 4, sir. Okay, very good, beta. Abhishek has replied. Okay. So I am waiting for some other responses as well. I will feel very happy if you will attempt it honestly and if you will reply. Okay. So again, guys, very good. I think one student has replied already. So T2 is nothing but what, guys? Is it 1 by 25? So T2 is nothing but 1 by 25, sir. T2 is, yes, 1 by 25 and this is 1 by 20. Okay. Now, first of all, you have to find the time period of yt. You know that the time period of yt, the signal must be periodic if the ratio of T1 and T2 must be a rational number. So when you will take the ratio of T1 and T2, of course, you will get the rational number. So of course, for sure, the signal yt, which is the combination of x1t plus x2t, yt must be periodic for sure, first of all. If yt is periodic, then what is the fundamental time period for yt? So tyt, fundamental time period of yt is nothing but, sir, LCM of T1, T2. LCM of T1, T2. Now student, if I will find the fundamental time period of yt, then LCM, I need to take the LCM of T1. What is T1 value? T1 value is nothing but 1 by 20. And what is the T2 value, guys? T2 value is 1 by 25. And we know that whenever the values are given in the n by d form, it means numerator upon denominator form, then while taking the LCM, you need to take the LCM of numerator, that is 1, 1, and you need to take the HCF of denominator, that is 20 and 25. So ultimately, my dear student, the LCM of 1 and 1 is 1. And what is the HCF? HCF of 20, highest common factor, HCF of 20 and 25 will be 5 only. So the final answer, TYT, the fundamental time period of the YT is nothing but 1 by 5, it means 0.2. 0.2. As I already told you, I am just attempting the question just like you as a student when you will attempt it, and you need to find some space for the rough work. That is how I am doing here. Okay. So TYT is 0.2 and what is TX1? TX1 is 1 by 20. So examiner is asking for the ratio of this only. Na? Examiner is asking for the ratio of this. So if I will take the ratio, then what should I get? What is TYT I got here? TYT I got here 0.2. And Tx1 is 1 by 20, sir. Is it 1 by 20, sir? Yes, 1 by 20. So what it should be? Tell me what it should be, guys. So ultimately 0.2 multiple with 20. I hope it is clear. So again, when you will take, so 10 cancel and 2 2 ja 4. Final answer is 4 only. Final answer for this question is 4 only. Final answer for this question is 4 only. 4. But when I will type 4, everything will remove. So that is why if you want to write parallelly, you can write. Or otherwise in the YouTube video will be there. So you can just pause the video also and you can take the screenshot also. Otherwise, I am going for the next now. So I think Abhishek, you are correct, beta. Abhishek, you got the answer correct. You can self-evaluate also. So till now, I am in the question number 2. Out of these 2 questions, how many questions you solved correctly that you can evaluate yourself, okay? Suppose that Jafar Abbas and Someshwari, you can write there, question number 1 is wrong for you. You replied 6 answer, but answer is 5.67. So question number 1 is wrong from your side. Abhishek already corrected question number 2. Now, shall we go for next question now? Chaliye, so what I am doing here, again everything will remove because I am just click on this and I will type, I need to type 4 here because it is numerically entry question. So I will type 4 here. So 4 is my answer and I will just do save and go next. Now, till now I completed question number 1 and 2. We have total 10 questions, 1 by 1 questions will come. Right now 1 marks questions are there. As soon as the 2 marks questions will be there, the difficulty level will increase, okay. So now, just read this question guys. I think this question is visible to you. And you can easily solve this question. You can easily solve this question if you know the basic concept of system properties or the relationship between the signals. So this is x of t given, this is y of t given. X of t is nothing but the input. X of t is nothing but the input. X of t is nothing but input. Y of t is the output for the LTI system. And what examiner has not given you the equation of xt and yt. Examiner has given the diagram rather than equation. They have given you the diagram. Now, if you know the equation of this xt is nothing but ut because of this signal ut. If you want to attempt, you can attempt. I will give you some time. If you wish to attempt, I am giving you 1 minute time. At least have an attempt. At least you should all have an attempt. So, dear student, I know yesterday when I took the live session, many students are requesting for the signal system session, control system session. But when we actually start the session, some of students only attend the live manner, rest students are watching in recording. So what I want, if you want actually the live session, then only request, then only we will plan. Okay, so I am planning some other sessions also for other my team members, mechanical people, civil mentors. They will also take the live session for you. But the biggest motivation for them is what? If you will attend the session in a live manner and if you will interact with the mentor, then only the purpose will solve and then only we will have some meaningful interaction. Yes or no guys? Chali. So now tell me, xt is ut and yt is nothing but what? Is it a ramp signal, sir? Yes, sir. And ramp signal is tut. So student, if you wish to write the equation, then tell me what you need to do with ut so that it will become ramp. What we need to perform in ut so that it will become ramp. Come on, tell me. Sir, option C, yt ramp signal. Kya baat hai, Abhishek? Very good, Abhishek. I think you are an IMS student. Very good. Are you my classroom student? Offline student or online student? So yt equal to tut, yes. So tell me guys, what I need to do with xt so that it will become ramp. So ut then ramp. It means, sir, we need to perform integration because running integration of a step signal is nothing but the ramp signal. So can I write the equation like this? Minus infinity to t. It can be, sir, x to d to. Or integral variable can be lambda also, can be u also, can be mu also, 2 also. So this should be my equation, sir. So system, this is the very important concept here. You need to design the system equation. You need to design the system equation. So if you are able to design the system equation, now you should know the concept of linear and time variant invariant. So if the options are linear, time variant, linear, time, non-linear, time invariant, like that options are there. So student, if I talk about the simple rule of linearity, if any operation directly applied on the input signal, if input is x of t, like square operation, cube operation, mod operation, square root operation, sine operation, cos operation, and any operation directly applied on the x of t, like x square t, yt equal to x square t, non-linear, x cube t, non-linear, mod of xt, non-linear, root of xt, non-linear, sine of xt, non-linear, exponential of xt, non-linear, log of xt, non-linear. But integral and derivative functions are always linear. Integral and derivative functions are always linear. It means for sure this question is linear, sir. In linear means either option A can be correct or C can be correct. For sure option number B and option number D is wrong. And this is the best way to solve the MCQ question. If you are able to eliminate some option, you should directly go for the option elimination first. I will be more happy if other students will also reply, because I think 9 to 10 students are watching live, but only 3 to 4 students are attempting or writing the answer in the chat box. So every student must write. Maybe you are correct, maybe you will have a wrong answer, but the agenda is what, guys? At least you should attempt in a live manner. Is this clear? Chali. So RAM signal time independent. Now tell me, guys, is it time variant or time invariant? So for the time variant invariant, we need to check this condition yt comma t naught should be equal to yt minus t naught. And here what is the beauty? Here no function of time is multiple with x of t. Like suppose that t x of t is time variant, but x square t is time invariant. So it means here when you will check in the integration, there is no time scaling or time reversal. So in the integration limit, even if the time shifting is there, still it will be time invariant. If you have attended my classes, then you should know this. If you had not attended till the classes, you can find the playlist at Signals and System on our YouTube channel, or you can write in the YouTube search box also Signals and System for GATE by Ankur sir. You will get the complete playlist. Minus infinity to t. So student, because in the integration limit there is no time scaling or time reversal, so that is why it is 100% time invariant. Or even here the x function, the x of t is not multiple of any other time function. Suppose that x of t into sin t, x of t into cos t, x of t into e ki power t, all are time variant. But right now it is time invariant. So the final answer is nothing but, sir, linear plus time invariant. Linear plus time invariant, it means here the exact mention in the option number C for Chennai Super King. Correct answer for this question is C. Very good, beta Abhishek. I am very happy the way you responded and how much quickly you have replied. That is also very impressive. So shall we go for next question now, because I am explaining the question, so that is why it takes time. Now I am going for the next because we have limited time also, so I should go fast now. So correct answer for this question is what? And if I will attempt the question, everything will remove, guys. So now, again I need to go to desktop and I need to click on this. Okay. So now which option correct, guys? Only option C correct. So I need to tick mark on this C. So option C I selected, and now I go to save to next. So till now I attempted 1, 2, 3 question. All are marked with green color. It shows that I have answered all the 3 questions. Now, this is the question number, again MCQ, very good question. Even an odd part of the continuous time signal xt, okay. Even an odd part of the continuous time signal xt. This is x even part of t. This is x even part of t given, and this is x odd part of t given, okay. The signal xt is where ut is the step signal, okay. So examiner want x of t equation actually. Maybe it is visible or not visible, you know better. So I think it is visible. If you will try to see, I think in mobile also it is visible. If you will have a full screen, it is visible, I think, yes. Okay. So now my dear student, tell me how to solve. This is even part, this is odd part. I am giving you a hint. Even part of t and odd part of t we can only find for the nano type of signal, neither even nor odd. And we also know that if you wish to generate the x of t, you just need to perform addition in the x even part of t and odd part of the t. So if I will add x even part and x odd part, I must get the original signal xt. I must get the original signal xt. So xt is nothing but x even part of t and plus x odd part of t. I hope this is fine, guys. X even part of t and x odd part of t. Is this crystal clear? Yes? Now, if you wish to attempt it fast and tell me the answer. This is easy question, 1 marks question. It deserves only 1 mark, easy question only. If you will attempt it, for sure you will get the correct answer. Now come on, tell me, guys. If I will add these 2 signals, then first of all, just check the time duration. between -1 to +1, we have a ramp nature. And what is the slope of this? Difference in y upon difference in x, sir. So is it the slope is plus half? Is it the slope is plus half for this? And what is the slope of this line, guys? The slope of this line, because it's a decreasing slope, so minus slope, difference in y upon difference in x, slope for this line is minus half. And when you will add the two ramp signal having the opposite slope, half and minus half, so plus half slope will get compensated by the minus half slope, so you will get the 0 only. So from -1 to 0, if I wish to draw the xt signal, then for the xt signal, in the left hand side part from -1 to 0, for sure we will have the 0 signal only. 0 signal only. Clear? Now tell me, guys, what is happening in the right side part? In the right side part, we have this decreasing slope, sir. And this decreasing slope give me what slope? This slope give me what? Decreasing slope, but negative slope. But difference in y upon difference in x, so slope is minus half. Similarly, what is the slope of this line? Again, this is a decreasing slope, so it will give me negative value. Difference upon y, difference in y upon difference in x. So what is the slope of this? Slope is again minus half, minus half. So student, if I will add the two ramp signal having the same slope, then actually we need to add the slope. The nature will remain ramp. The nature will remain ramp, and the signal will be having the addition of slope. So minus half and minus half slope, when you will add, ultimate slope will be -1. So you will get the final signal just like this for the time duration from 0 to 1, from the time duration of 0 to 1, and the magnitude part is 1 here, and the magnitude part is 1 here. So this is nothing but your x of t signal with respect to time. Is it your xt signal, guys? Yes. And what examiner want? Examiner want the equation of this. So you should know the multiple concept to solve this question. If you know how to write the equation in terms of step and ramp, then you can easily write. So what I explain you as a short trick, guys, initially we have 0. So as soon as 0 will come, you need to jump to 1. So it means you need to reach to this region. So if you wish to write the xt equation, then first of all is nothing but 1 into u of t. 1 into ut is nothing but ut only. So I am writing ut. Now after that, I need to follow that diagram. So it is a ramp signal. So I am coming downward, and downward give me negative sign. So I am taking minus sign here. What is the slope of this line? Because minus sign already covered by the downward, or because of the slope is downward slope or decreasing slope, so of course minus sign. Now what is the slope? 1 upon 1, so slope is 1. The nature is ramp, so r, and the location of movement is 0, so r of t minus 0. Yes. Now I am traveling here, we are enjoying here. Now as soon as, again I need to reach this horizontal line, but this line goes like this. So I need to turn like this. It means this is the upward direction. Upward direction means plus sign. क्या बात है? Gunji Naveen Kumar already replied option C, sir. क्या बात है? Very good, बच्चा. Very good. Abhishek also replied option C. Very nice, but Abhishek and Naveen, very nice. You both are correct. So now, because of upward symbol, you need to take plus and again r of t minus 1. So this is my final answer xt, but when you will check the option, every options are given in the step term. And we know the relation between RT and UT. Sir, RT ramp signal is nothing but TUT. RT ramp signal is nothing but TUT. Yes or no? So even if I will write RT minus 1, then what it will be? R of t minus 1 is nothing but, sir, t minus 1 into u of t minus 1. Yeah. So student, if I will replace here RT function in place of with UT, then it will give me UT. It will give me what? RT only. So it will give me TUT. And again plus it will give me t minus 1 and dot ut minus 1. And now you need to check this expression exactly mentioned in which option. So when you will check the option number C now, when you will check the option number C, you will get ut minus tut and plus t minus 1. Option number C for Chennai is the absolute correct answer, guys. Option number C is absolutely correct answer. Naveen and Abhishek, very good. Congratulations, you are correct only. Chali. So till now we have solved question number 4. I need to save and next, but first I need to click on the correct answer. So I am just again select, so everything removed. So here is the C answer correct. I am going save and next. I am going for the save and next. Yes. Now guys, again a very good question. Question number 5. If you wish to attempt, if question is not visible to you, I will again rewrite the equation for you. The convolution of two signals x1t and x2t, this is my signal x1t, convolution with x2t at time t equal to, at time t equal to 0.5 seconds. That is examiner is asking, okay. Now, it is again a numerically entry question. No, sorry, a MCQ question, so you have the negative marking also. Now student, what is x1t equation given to you? I am writing x1t equation. That is nothing but twice of u of t plus 2 and minus ka twice of u of t minus ka 2. Similarly guys, x2t is nothing but 3 of u of t plus 1 and minus ka 3 of u of t minus ka 1. Yeah. I hope question is visible. Yes. So first of all student, you can only you can directly go for the equation also, and I am giving you a hint. Can you make the diagram from the equation? Because you can easily make the rectangle equations. So I am giving you a hint. If you wish to attempt it fast. So x1t, if you will make the curve of x1t, then what you will get? If you will make the curve of x1t guys, what you will get? Come on. So is it your x1t? And x1t curve starts from minus 2 to plus 2. So it will be minus 2 to plus 2. And the magnitude is 2. Yes, sir. And I need to convolve this signal x1t with what guys? I need to convolve this signal x1t with x2t, and which is having what magnitude guys? Which is having the magnitude from minus 1 to plus 1. Come on. Yes, minus 1 to plus 1. So again I will make the diagram for you. So now let me take x1t. Because the time duration is less, so it should be look like this, minus 1 to plus 1, okay, minus 1 to plus 1. And what is the magnitude here? Magnitude here 3. So this is what x2t, this is what x2t with respect to t. So what is the time duration of this signal guys? This is my time duration, that is 2, and this is my time duration, that is 4. So now you have to check if which is working as a t1, which is working as a t2. If you know the basic concept of convolution, convolution is nothing but the convolution of two rectangular pulses having the same time duration will always be a triangular signal, and the convolution of two rectangular pulses having different time duration will be a trapezoidal signal guys, will be a trapezoidal signal. So it means if you will convolve this, then the final resultant will be what? The final resultant will be look like this. The final resultant signal will be look like this. And how you will attempt guys? You need to add the lower limit first. Minus 2 and minus 1 when you will add the lower limit, and plus 2 and plus 1 also. So minus 2 and minus 1, so you will start from minus 3. Then you need to travel t1 distance. What is the t1 distance? T1 is 2 sir. So when I will travel 2 distance from minus 3, I will reach at minus 1. And again then trapezoidal nature like this. Then you need to travel t2 distance. What is t2? 4. When you will travel 4 distance from minus 3, definitely you will reach at 1. And finally, you need to add t1 plus t2 distance, that is 2 plus 4, 6 distance. So when you will start your journey from minus 3, and when you will travel 6 distance, of course you will end at 3. And the magnitude of the trapezoidal signal is A1, A2, T1. So what is the A1? A1 is nothing but this, A2 is nothing but this, and T1 is nothing but whatever is less the time duration. So of course T1 should be less than T2. So here T1 will be T1 will be 2 and T2 will be 4 actually. So when you will write magnitude is nothing but sir A1, A2, T1. So when you will multiply A1 is 2, A2 is 3, and T1 is what? 2. So what is the final answer guys? When you will write this 2 3 ja 6 and 6 2 ja 12, because T1 is what? Time duration was 2. So 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. The final answer is nothing but 12 guys. So final answer for this question is nothing but 12. Final answer for this question is nothing but 12. And 12 is mentioned in which option? Option number A. So I will mark correct answer option A here. I am just going to the option A. Option A give me 12. So again I will save, do save and next. So Naveen Kumar replied 12 sir. Very good beta Naveen, you are correct only. Shabash. Naveen, I think from the last 3 questions you are correct only. Chali. So again a beautiful question guys. I think equation is not visible to you. So I will show you first the equation, how the equation look like. So the equation is xt is minus ka 2 u of t plus 2 plus 3 ut plus 2 u of t minus 2 minus ka 4 u of t minus ka 4 and plus ka u, okay, let me erase this, okay, plus u of t minus ka 5. This is the equation given to you for xt, and examiner is asking for the energy of yt, okay. So what is the yt? Yt is also given to you here. Yt is nothing but x of minus 2t plus 3, and second zt is also given to you. What is zt given? Zt also I am writing here. So zt also given to you, that is nothing but x of minus ka 4t plus 5. Yeah, minus ka 4t plus 5. Then what is the ratio of x upon yz? So it is saying that ki xt energy is represented by x, yt energy is represented by y, or zt energy is represented by z. Then what is the ratio of x upon yz? This is the only question. What is the ratio of x by y? This is the only question. So do you want to attempt, guys? Attempt it fast. So first of all, you need to find the energy of xt. Once you will have the energy of xt, you can comment on the energy of yt and zt also, because you should know that key energy is independent to the time shifting and time reversal. It only depends on the time scaling and amplitude scaling. Now, if you know this fact, you can find the energy of yt and zt also once you will have the energy of x of t. And to find the energy of xt, what you need to do? You need to draw the x of t waveform first of all. So when you will draw the x of t waveform, guys, what you will get? You will start your signal from minus 2 ut minus 2. It means I need to start the signal minus 2 location and minus 2 magnitude as well. Yes. So minus 2 location, minus 2 magnitude. Yes. And I am starting the signal. I am having minus 2 magnitude. Okay, no problem. Now as soon as the 0 location will come, there will be a increment of plus 3 ut. So here is minus 2, and when I will add here, it will give me plus 3 ut. It means here I will reach at 1, because I started my journey from minus 2, and here is 1. Yes, u. So this is nothing but 1 u of t, correct. Now tell me, guys, what is happening here? As soon as the 2 will come, as soon as the plus 2 will come, there will be a addition of plus 2 magnitude. So I am already having at plus 1. Now I am already right now running at 1 magnitude. If I will add plus 2 here, I will reach at 3 only. I will reach at 3, sir. Now, as soon as the next location 4 will come, there will be a contribution of minus 4 step, minus 4 magnitude. Here I am, as of now, I am traveling at plus 3 magnitude. If I will add minus 4, if I will add minus 4 in plus 3, for sure I will get at minus 1. For sure I will get at minus 1. So this is minus 1. And at minus 1 I am traveling here. As soon as the next plus 5 location will come, there will be a jump of 1, plus 1 magnitude. So if I will add plus 1 magnitude in minus 1 value, I will reach at 0 only, like this. So this is my x of t. So as you all know, the short trick for the rectangular pulse, the energy E is nothing but always a square into b, So if I will calculate the energy here, this is my first part, this is my second part, this is the third part of signal, all are rectangular nature, so just I need to do a square into b. So minus ka 2 whole square, 4 2 ja 8. So first of all 8 plus, because minus 2 mod ka whole square, 4 2 ja 8, a square into b. 1 ka whole square into 2, so is it 2 only, plus 3 ka whole square into 2, distance is 2. The difference between 2 and 4 is 2. So you will get 3 ka whole square 9, and 9 2 ja 18, sir, plus last is minus 1 ka whole square into 1, so it is 1 only, yes. Final answer of x of t. What is the energy of Ex? Energy of Ex is 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 18, 28 plus 1, 29, sir. 29 is the energy of Ex. So examiner has given that the energy of xt signal is represented by x, energy of yt signal is represented by y, and energy of zt signal represented by z. Then what is the ratio of x upon yz? That is the only examiner asking, yes. That is the only thing examiner asking, correct? Now you need to check, ki, sir, x value I already have. X value I already have, that is 29. Now what is the energy of yt? Energy of yt is represented by y. Energy of yt, we know that energy is only depending on time scaling factor, and time scaling factor going to be divide. It means if xt energy is 29, then x of minus 2t plus 3. Energy calculation is independent to time shifting and time reversal. It only depends on time scaling. Whatever the scaling factor, you need to divide. So it means xt energy is 29, so 29 by 2, sir, 29 by 2. This is y value. And what is the energy of ZT? Energy of ZT is represented by Z, small z. So Z, it means energy of Z. Energy of ZT, again we know that depending on the only amplitude scaling is 1 and time scaling is 4. It is independent to time reversal and time shifting. So 5 and minus 1 doesn't affect 4, so it means divide by 4, so 29 by 4. I have now all the values of x, y, z. If I will take the ratio, what I will get? I need to take the ratio of x upon y, z, guys. So I am taking the x value here 29. I am just writing this y value here 29 by 2. And I am again writing the again value, this z value is again 29 by 8. So what is my answer? 29 get cancelled, 4 2 is 8. So is it 8 by 29? Yes. So 8 by 29 is mentioned in option number B, guys. 8 by 29 is present in option number B. How many? Kya baat hai? Naveen got the option B. Shabash. Very good, beta. Naveen. Shabash. Excellent. I hope you already completed signals and system. That is why quickly you are able to solve. Shabash. Very good. You have the good concept of signals. Now, option B is correct. Naveen got the option number B. So option number B is correct. Now I will click on the option B here. So everything will remove. Everything. Option number B is the only correct answer here. B 8 by 29. So again I will save and next. Save and next. So now total 6 question I completed. Now guys, I am going for this question again. Unit step signal output yt at t equal to 1 is what? This is the question. Okay. So what you need to do first of all, h12 and h2t is given to you. What it is given, if it is not visible to you, I am writing for you here h1t value also. So h1t value which is given to you, twice of u of t plus 1, okay, twice of u t plus 1 and minus ka twice of u t minus 1, okay, and h2t is what given to you? h2t is given to you like ut plus 2 and minus ka u of t minus 2, that is given to you. Yes, correct? Correct. Now tell me only one thing, guys. Tell me only one thing. What you will get here, sir? If I will, because both are in parallel or here and sign is plus, so I will add. So what is my h of t impulse response? Is it my h1t and h2t? So when you will add it now, then finally you will get ht as a what? Finally you will get ht as a ut plus 2 and plus ka twice of u of t plus 1. I am just adding these two values. I am solving the question. You can also solve parallelly with me. I am solving the question. Right now, this is only the given data. Now I am starting the solution. So ut plus 2 first come, then as soon as the location will come, I am writing. So first minus 2 will come, then minus 1 come. Then what will come, guys? Then sir, minus ka twice of u of t minus 1 come, and finally minus ka u of t minus 2 comes. So this is your h of t, and asking for unit step, input is unit step. It means xt is ut. Then asking yt at t equal to 1. Asking yt at t equal to 1. Okay. So tell me, guys, how to solve. This is my h of t, and we know that yt is nothing but the convolution of. We know that yt is nothing but the convolution of xt and ht. Yes or no? Yes, sir. So if I will do the convolution, then what should I get? Should I write this complete equation? Yes, sir. So I should write xt is nothing but u of t. And I need to convolve this with h of t. H of t is nothing but what? U of t plus 2 plus twice of u of t plus 1 and minus ka twice of u of t minus 1 and minus ka u of t minus ka 2. This is all correct. This is our oral answer. Yes. Now tell me, guys, what is your yt? So when you will convolve, we know that ut convolution with ut is nothing but ramp signal, and whatever the time shifting, it will also reflect. So it means, so we have total 10 questions. Yes. Now, so now coming to ut, so it means, is it rt plus 2? Yes, sir, rt plus 2. The next is what, guys? Again, when you have plus sign, it will have twice of rt plus 1, twice of rt plus 1. Then again ut convolution, so minus ka twice of r of t minus ka 1. Because ut is nothing but r, and whatever the shifting, it will also come place. So minus, again minus ka ut means r of t minus ka 2. Yes, yes. So now student, examiner asking this yt equation and you know what is rt. If I will say rt means like this. Rt is the ramp signal, and having the slope 1, it means like this. At 1 it is 1, at 0 it is 0, at 2 time it is 2 magnitude, like that. This is rt. So examiner asking yt at t equal to 1. Yt at t equal to 1, if I will put t value 1 here, then what I will get? T equal to 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. So is it R3? Yes, sir, R3. Plus 2 into t equal to 1. So is it R2? R2, sir. Now next, minus ka twice. If you will put here 1, so 1 minus 1, 0. So is it R0? R0 is 0. And minus ka R of 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. What is R minus 1? R minus 1 is also 0. So student, if you are looking for this value R3, what is 3? At 3 times, sir, the magnitude is also 3, sir. So R3 value is 3, sir. 2 into R2 value is also 2. R2 value is 2. R0 value is 0, because at 0, you will add the 0 value. And R minus 1 is also 0. The final answer should be 3 plus 2 2 ja 4. So 3 plus 4, 7. Final answer should be 7, sir. Final answer must be 7. Numerically entry question, you need to ask. You need to write the only 7. You need to just type the 7 number numerical value. Bolo. Naveen, are you getting 7? Naveen, are you getting 7? Some of you can make the diagram also. You can make the diagram also. But this technique also gives you correct answer very quickly. So now I will remove everything from here. Now correct answer is what, guys? 7. So when I will click on 7, 7 is coming here. Now I will just save and next. I am just going to save and next. Yes, yes. So again, guys, very beautiful question, and I think this question is visible. If it is not visible, I am writing for you again x1t. So you should attempt this question. You should attempt this question. I am writing here x1t first. So x1t value is nothing but, sir, sine of pi by 3t. Okay. x2t value is what? x2t value. x2t is value given to me as a sine of pi by 3t and dot cos of pi by 6t. Okay, x3t is what, guys? x3t is sine 2t. And x4t is what? x4t is nothing but, sir, x1t minus ka 2x3t. Okay. Now you have to find the time period. Time period is given, 12 is given here, 6 is given here, third is aperiodic. This is 1, 2, 3. 3 is aperiodic, non-periodic, and fourth one is pi. Okay. So this is the fundamental time period is given to you in the second. 7, sir. Shabash, beta Naveen, very good. Very good, Naveen, very good. So student, first of all, I need to solve this x1. So x1 fundamental time period is what? So t1 is equal to 2 pi upon omega. Omega is pi by 3, sir. So don't you think pi by 3 cancels 6? So first of all, x1 goes to 6. x1 goes to 6. x1 a goes to 6. A goes to 2. A goes to 2 in which option? A goes to 2 in option A or option C. It means option B is wrong, option D is wrong for sure. So right now I am writing here option A. List A goes to 2. Okay. So this is how I will write the box final answer here. Now A complete. This is A complete. This is A. This is your A. And what is B? B is what? So in the B, guys, first of all, this is multiply. So can you multiply with half and 2? Can you write here multiply and divide? So it is 2 sin A cos B. What is 2 sin A cos B? 2 sin A cos B, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So when you will write this, so half is already outside, sir. And when you will write 2 sin A sin B, 2 sin A plus B and plus sin A minus B, then actually you will get 2 sin of, what is A? This entire value A. So you will get what? Pi by 3 and plus pi by 6 into T sin A plus B plus. Tell me, guys, because 2 already covered, so inside, outside only come now. So let me use eraser here. Again I will write, no problem. So now half already outside now, only outside, because 2 sin A sin B, 2 sin A cos B. So 2 already covered. So that is why here sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. 2 sin A cos B is nothing but sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Yes. So here what you will write? You will write again sin A minus B. A minus B means pi by 3 minus pi by 6 into T. So ultimately what you will get? Ultimately you will half outside, sir. And here you will get sine of, tell me when you will take the LCM 6. Is it 3 2 ja 6? 2 pi and 1 pi also. So 3 pi by 6. 3 pi by 6 into T first. And second is sine of pi by 3 minus pi by. So again take the LCM 6. 2, is it pi by 6 only? Pi by 6 into T, yes. So now tell me, guys, what is the fundamental time period? Is it 3 2 ja 6? So pi by 2. So fundamental time period T1 is nothing but, sir, 2 pi upon pi by 2. So pi cancels, you get T1 4. Yes, sir. So T1 value is 4, sir. What is T2 value, guys? T2 value is nothing but 2 pi upon pi by 6. So pi cancels, is it 6 to the 12? 12, sir. So if I talk about the LCM, the final LCM, T is nothing but fundamental time period is nothing but LCM of T1, T2. It is nothing but LCM of 4 and 12. So it is nothing but the final answer 12. LCM of 4 and 12 is 12. So it means B goes to 1, B goes to 1. And now student B goes to 1, A to B1, it means option number A and C is still matching. A goes to 2, B goes to 1 for sure. Now only one thing when you will correct, you will get the answer. What is the fundamental time period of sin 2t? Sin 2t fundamental time period C, sin 2t, C. Sin 2t fundamental time period T equal to 2 pi upon omega, omega is 2, so 2 to cancel. So fundamental time period is pi second guys, pi second. Don't confuse here, pi second is valid in the continuous time domain. Pi second it means x3 fundamental time period is 4, C goes to 4 guys. And C goes to 4 is only mentioned in the option number C. C goes to 3 here, option A. So option A is also wrong. Now no need to check even the last one. And when you will check the last one, for sure it will be aperiodic. Why? Because x1t is periodic and x2t sin 2t. So the ratio of t1, t2 is not a rational number. When you will add this x1 and x1t and minus 2 x3t, then x1 the fundamental time period is t1 upon t2. The ratio of t1, t2 is not a rational. So that is why only option C correct here. Only option C correct here. So I will click on option C. Remaining all part will remove here. So option C only correct like this. Now I am going to next. So now we are left with only 2 questions. Yes. And this is a little bit lengthy question. If you wish to try it fast. This is h of t. Okay. And x of t, what x of t is given to you. I am also writing here x of t. So what is my x of t look like, guys? So this is your x of t, and x of t is nothing but what? Just check. Sir, x of t is nothing but a del t minus ka twice of del means impulse function. You know that. You should know this. Plus of del t minus 2. Yes. So xt is nothing but del t minus ka twice of del t minus ka 1 plus del of t minus ka 2. And the impulse response ht is shown in the figure. The value of yt, and we know that. We all know that. Ki sir, yt is nothing but sir h of t convolution with x of t. Okay, so x of t is given to me. So I am starting solution part. You should also start it. So h of t convolution. What is x of t? Sir, x of t entire value is del t minus ka 2, del of t minus ka 1 and plus del of t minus ka 2 bracket close. You should see here del t minus ka 2, del t minus 1 plus del t minus ka 2. I hope it is clear. So now what is yt, guys? What is yt? So yt is equal to, is it my h of t? Yes. H of t minus ka twice of h of t minus ka 1 and plus h of t minus ka 2. So is it my final yt, guys? This is my final yt. ht minus ka 2, ht minus ka 1, yes. So I just will get the yt if I will add these all 3 signals. So I have already ht. I will again make for you here, and just below I will make the other diagrams as well, so that I can easily add. Okay. So my signal is what? My signal is nothing but this. Now here is 0, here is 1, here is 2, and this is my 1 magnitude and this is my 2 magnitude. Yes or no? 1, 2 magnitude. This is my h of t now. This is my h of t. Yes. Now just below to this, I must draw this diagram. That is nothing but sir ht minus 1. T minus 1 matlab right side shifting. Abhishek, Naveen, ht minus 1 means right side shifting. Right side shifting, how much distance? One distance you need to travel in right side, and the magnitude will be minus 2. Okay. So first of all, if I will shift this signal in the right hand side by one distance, then it will be look like this, yes. But if I will multiply with minus 2, then tell me guys, the signal will be, the location is 1, 2 and 3 here. So the new location of ht minus 1 is, ht minus 1 new location is what? H of t minus 1, new location is what? New location is right now 0 to 2, now new location is 1 to 3. And ultimately amplitude scaling also you need to do. Minus 2 I am considering minus 2. So minus 2 when you will multiply, minus 2 also when you will multiply, then this is only minus 2 and this is minus 4 actually. So this is your minus 2, this is your minus 4. Tell me guys, yes or no? Now finally what is the signal? Next signal. The last signal is nothing but sir ht minus ka 2. ht minus 2 means, tell me guys, what is ht minus 2? It means this ht signal I need to shift in the right hand side by 2 distance, okay. So if I will shift this signal by 2 distance, then the new location will be 2 to 4, sir. The new location will be 2 to 4, sir. And the signal will be look like this, sir. Yeah. Yeah. So is it my 1 magnitude, sir? Yes, sir. Is it my 2 magnitude, sir? Yes. And it is my ht minus 2, sir. Yes, ht minus 2. Yes. So examiner want what? Area. Okay. Area of yt examiner asking for. Okay. So can you please draw the final yt for me? First of all, I will make the final diagram here. I don't have space, so that is why. Otherwise, I should make the diagram here only, just below to this. But because I don't have the space, I will make the final yt diagram here. I will make the final yt diagram here, guys. Can you check this? So tell me, while adding all the 3 curve number 1, curve number 2, curve number 3, these 3 curve you need to add only, because I already consider minus 2 sign in the amplitude scaling itself. So I just need to add the signal as far as location is concerned. So first of all, 0 to 1, what is the magnitude? 1, sir. Here 0 to 1, 0, sir. Here 0 to 1, 0, sir. So as far as 0 to 1 location is concerned, only magnitude is 1. It means 0 to 1, my signal carry the magnitude 1 only. 1 only. Now tell me, as soon as 1 to 2 concerned, 1 to 2 magnitude is 2 here, okay. 1 to 2 magnitude is minus 2 here, acha. So it means here is 2, here is minus 2, 2 minus 2, 0. And here 1 to 2, 0. So ultimately you will have, for 1 to 2 you will have 0 only. Because this 2 and minus 2 get compensate to each other. Why it is minus 2 minus 4? Because 2 2 ja 1 and 2 2 ja 4, yes. 2 1 ja 1 and 2 2 ja 4, yes. Now next is what, guys? 2 to 3. So between 2 to 3 here is what? Between 2 to 3 the first signal will give you 0 value. Between 2 to 3 it will give you minus 4. And between 2 to 3 it will give you what? 1. So actually you need to add minus 4 plus 1. So minus 3. Minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. So it means here minus 3, guys. Minus 3. From 2 to 3. From 2 to 3 you will have minus 3. Okay. Now what will happen from 3 to 4? 3 to 4 here is 0, sir. 3 to 4 here also 0, sir. Here also 0, here also 0. 3 to 4. And here is 2. So from 3 to 4 you have 2 value. So 3 to 4 you have 2 value. Yes. This is your yt. If you are able to draw the curve, now anyone having the answer, Naveen, Abhishek, or do reply fast. This is your yt. Tell me the area of this. Area is nothing but a into b. So what is the area of this signal? What is the area of this? And what is the area of this? Come on. So if you will just calculate the area a into b, is it 1, sir? What is the area? Area is, because of amplitude is magnitudes, minus 3 into 1. So area is minus 3 here. What is the area of this? 0. What is the area of this? 2 into this difference between 3 and 4 is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. Final answer is nothing but 2 plus 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. Final answer should be 0, sir. Guys, tell me, are you getting 0 for this? I will be more happy, guys, in every session if you will be attending the session in a live manner, then it will be great. Come on, tell me. Tell me, guys, tell me, guys, tell me. How many of you are getting 0? Kya baat hai yaar? Who got 0? I think Naveen got 0. And Karan also came. Okay, Karan, very good. Are you also getting 0, beta? Yes. So it is a numerically entry question, na? So it is a numerically entry question. I need to type 0 here, okay? So again, I will remove everything. So here 0 I need to type, so 0. So this is I am typing 0 and I am going for the save and next. And it will be my last question, guys. And last question, 2 marks question. It deserves 2 marks. And if question is not visible to you, I will show you the question. So what is A given to you? A given to you yt as a. I am again rewriting here so that it will be clear to you. Exponential of xt. B is given to you as a yt equal to from minus infinity to t x tau and cos of 2 tau d tau. And the C is yt equal to x of minus 2t and convolution of del of minus ka t and minus ka 2. Yeah. So of course the C equation you can also rewrite if you know the basic concept. So minus 2 is outside only. And here is what, guys? If you wish to apply the property, then first of all del minus you need to take outside. So what you will get inside? T plus 2. And you know that del AT is what? I am just starting the solution also. Del AT is nothing but 1 upon mod of a del T. So if it is true, then it is equal to del T plus 2. Yeah. So now you can write x of minus 2t convolution with del of minus already outside. Minus already outside and came. So is it T plus 2 now? Left only. Bolo yes or no, guys. Minus already outside. Now this entire T plus 2 you need to shift with in place of T you need to replace. This is a del impulse response convolution property. So minus ka 2 T plus 2. The final answer is nothing but x of minus ka 2t and 2 to the minus 4. Yeah. This is your final answer for the CYT. This is your final equation. Now guys, check whether linear, non-linear. As I already told you, whenever any operation directly applied on the input signal, it will make the signal non-linear. X square t non-linear, x cube t non-linear, sine of xt non-linear, exponential of xt non-linear, and here exponential of xt. So for short, this is what? Let me take different color. So for short, this function is non-linear only. For short, it is non-linear. Yes, sir. Now asking for the next thing, that is it stable or not? It is non-linear first of all, yes. But it is stable or not? Stable, how to check the stability? BIBO concept. It means bounded input, bounded output. So you need to just replace x of t with bounded input. So if I will replace x of t with ut is bounded. Then e ki power ut is again stable. So it means 100% it is a stable signal. Okay. So now is it causal or non-causal, guys? So when you will check x of t signal, here x of t. So e ki power ut, constant part is only there. Tell me guys, yes or no? So you need to check whether it is causal or non-causal. So e ki power u of t or e ki power x of t signal is there. So any constant value only I am getting, guys. Only constant value only I am getting, guys. Yes or no? So 100% it is also causal signal. It is time variant or invariant? Because e ki power x of t, so it is time invariant. Okay, so causal plus, is it time invariant? Is it time invariant? Yes, sir, time invariant. It must be time invariant, sir. Bolo yes or no? Are you getting this? I will check your options also. I think last question you got the answer. Tell me. Now tell me, shall we go for next or wait? So now tell me, guys. You know that for the causal and for the time invariant. Why time invariant? Why time invariant? Because yt comma t naught is equal to yt minus t naught. And a system is said to be causal if the output is only depending on the past and present values. Tell me yes or no, guys. Past and present, yes. So because it is x of t now, it is not, it is depending on present value only, not even t plus 2. If t plus 2, then it is non-causal, yes. So it means A goes to what? A goes to what? Stable, time invariant, causal, non-linear. A goes to 5, sir. A goes to 5. So it means A goes to 5. I am writing here A goes to 5. Okay. If A goes to 5, then option number C eliminated. Now I need to check B also. B is nothing but minus infinity to t x dot cos tau. So is it linear or not? 100% it is linear, sir. 100% it is linear, sir. Why not? Because integration always linear and multiply also function of time multiple of xt is also allow for the linearity. But it is time variant. But it is TV. Why it is TV? Why it is TV? Why it is TV? Because function of time is multiple with xt. Whenever any function of cos t, cos 2 tau is multiple with x tau now. Whenever function of time multiple with xt, it will make the system time variant. So that is why time variant. Is it causal, non-causal? Minus infinity to t. So past to present, not future. If it is 2t or t plus 5, then it is non-causal. It is causal only, sir, causal. But it is stable or unstable. But when you will take xt as a u tau it may be finite. But when you will take cos 2 tau is also a bounded signal. Cos 2 tau is also a bounded signal. So when you will put x tau as a bounded input cos 2 tau, then cos will make cos square. And cos square is nothing but 1 plus cos 2 theta, or cos square 2 tau matlab 1 plus cos 4 tau upon 2. So the first function is a constant, and constant integration will give you ramp nature t, and t will make it unstable. So if you attended my classes, then you know very well. So second goes to what, guys? Linear. Second goes to what? Linear. Tell me now, linear time variant. Where is linear time variant? So linear time variant, unstable and causal. 4, sir. 4. So A2 and B4, A2, B4, B and D is coming. So option number A is also wrong. Now option B and D only you need to check. So option C, again now C correct, only C equation is left, and C equation is what? I am writing again C equation here. The C equation, after solving this property, convolution property, you will get it is x of minus ka 2t of minus ka 4. Yeah, it is 100% linear, sir. It is 100% linear, but it is time variant TV. Why TV? Because all time scaling and time scaling function, all time scaling and time reversal functions are always time variant TV. Is it causal, non-causal? Of course non-causal, because of minus sign there. So past value, if output depends on past, output depends on future. So because of minus sign, if I will take t value minus 2, then it will minus minus plus. So it will take future. It will depend on future. So that is why non-causal. And the last one is stable or unstable. Of course stable, because if I will apply either u function, then in the u, when you will apply time shifting or time reversal, it doesn't make it unbounded. Okay. So the final answer is linear, time variant, linear time variant. Okay, so here is linear time variant, non-causal and stable 2. It means A5 sir, B4 sir, B4 na, B4, A5 B4, and C is what? C is 2. C is 2. It means option number B only correct, sir. Option number B. Option number B is the only correct answer for this question. Are you getting option B? Are you guys getting option B here? Okay guys, so that's all from today's session. I will again come to this part. Everything will remove. Correct answer is option number B only. So I will click on the option number B. Yes. Now save and next. Save and next. And now finally I will submit this question, because I already completed all the question. So now it will show you what? Key section or 1 marks question 5, 2 marks question 5, answered 5 out of 5 question I answered, and 2 marks question also 5 out of 5 I answered. Not answered, marked for review, nothing is there. Continue test or submit. I want to submit it. So finally I submitted it. So how much marks I got, guys? So this is a 15 marks paper. So we'll get 15 out of 15. Okay. Speed is, this is also speed is given. Marks obtained 15. And this is 10 question actually. So 1 to 5 is 1 marks question, and 6 to 10 is a 2 marks question. So total marking for this paper is 15. So we got 15 out of 15. 100% accuracy, ROI also there, efficiency also there. You can check this, okay. And as far as solutions are concerned, you can also see your status, how much time we taken, 5:36 seconds we have taken. So because I have explained to you also, that is why I took more time. Otherwise, if you will directly attempt, you should take less time. If you want to see the solution also, when you will click here, you will get the complete solution of that question, 5.67 like that. Okay, for every question you can check the solution part also. So like that, this is our platform, and once you will enroll in the test series program or any other programs, you will get the opportunity to attempt the test like this. So you will get the actual feeling of the online exam, whether GATE or any other competitive exam. So when you will attempt such type of test, okay, you can build confidence, and you can create your momentum there, and you will be, as soon as you will attempt more and more test paper, you will be more habitual to the online test. And when you will more habitual, guys, there is a less scope of general basic mistakes that you can attempt in the GATE exam if you will not attempt test series before the actual GATE exam. Okay, so you must attempt all the test series, either chapter test, subject test, mock test, everything. Okay, chaliye guys, bye bye, take care. That's all from today's class. If you want to enroll in any courses, I Must Get Academy offering offline courses, online courses, SLP courses, as well as test series plus product also. When you will enroll in any program, then however, of course, in the test series plus only you will get test series plus PYQ booklet, that is most premium booklet by I Must Get Academy, which covers last 34-year PYQs. And if I talk about the SLP courses, or if I talk about the offline courses, we offer the offline classes in Jayanagar, Malleshwaram, in the Bangalore city, as well as in Vijayawada also, near Bank Circle. We are having offline classes on weekends. So we are offering you hybrid batches also, online batches also, offline batches also. And in all the batches, if you will enroll, you will get 800 plus live lecture access. You will get the 800 plus recorded videos access also. You will also get the 130 plus test series, which include topic level test, subject level test, multiple subject test, advanced level subject test, and mock test series. And yes, so and other than that, you will also get the 22 to 30 booklet, the physical booklet, and that physical booklet material that we will dispatch at your address. That also you will get. 22 to 30 exercise book and theory books. An exercise book covers 4,000 plus practice question. Also, you will get the most premium product that I already told you, 34-year PYQs booklet, which we will provide you two different booklet. One is dedicated for technical subject and one is for mathematics and aptitude. And the mathematics and aptitude part covers not only your branch, cover across the branches, EC, electrical, mechanical, civil, IN, like that. Okay. And the most important part, in IMS Gate Academy, we have designed a dedicated portal for you just to provide you better mentorship. So we are having one-to-one mentorship also here. Every student will get 12 My Plan session. You can book the My Plan according to your need. You can book a slot and you can meet with our expert mentor, and where you can discuss your strength or weakness or your strategy or roadmap for the upcoming Gate 25 exam. Okay guys, so bye bye, thank you, and a very good attempt beta Naveen and Abhishek and Karan. Okay, chali, all the very best, bye bye, take care, love you all guys. That's all for today's session. Thank you.